Hello everyone, today we are going to be solving this equation using the Simpsons 1/3 rule. So first what we are going to do is we are going to calculate h, and the rule for h is upper limit minus lower limit divided by interval time. If interval time is not given, then interval time is equal to 2. As we can see in this problem, interval time is not given. So now if we calculate h, the upper limit is 1.6 minus the lower limit is 1.2 divided by the interval time is 2. So if we calculate this on our calculator, we get 1.6 minus 1.2 divided by 2 equals to 1 by 5. So if we do in SD on 1.5 is 0.02. So this is the h of this equation. Now what we are going to do is we're going to calculate the x's. So x naught is equal to 1.2 and x1 is equals to, so if we calculate now f of x naught, it will be, we are going to put 1.2 in only this part, which is 1.2 plus, and this is 1 by x, so 1.1 by 1.2. So now if we calculate this, what we get is, I hope you understand this part, what we get is 1.2 plus 1 by 1.2 equal to 61 divided by 30. This is f of x naught. So y, then what we are going to do is we are going to calculate x1. x1 is equals to x naught plus h. This is our formula, and x naught is equals to 1.2 plus h is equals to 0.2. So x1 is equals to 1.4. Now if we calculate f of x1, the steps will be the same. So we are going to put 1.4 plus 1 by 1.4. So by doing this, we will get 1.4 plus 1 by 1.4. 4 equals to 74 by 35. 74 divided by 35. Now we are going to calculate the x2. x2 is equals to same formula, x1 plus h. So 1.4 plus 0.2. So we get x2 is equals to 1.6, and 1.6 is our upper limit. So f of x2 means that we put this value on the equation 1.6 plus 1 by 1.6. So we get, let us calculate it, 1.6 plus 1 by 1.6 equals to 89 by 40. 89 divided by 40. So that's the equation. So why we did this, so the formula for Simpsons psi m, so and 1 by 3rd rule is equals to lower limit minus upper limit divided by f of x naught plus 4 into f of x1 plus f of x2 divided by 6. This is the rule for Simpsons 1/3 rule. Okay, let me just go to the next page, and this way it will be easier for you. So the rule for Simpsons 1/3 rule is lower limit minus upper limit into f of x naught plus, let me just check the rule, f of 4 into f of x1 plus f of x2 divided by 6. So let us put the value lower, sorry, this is the upper limit minus lower limit, sorry about that, upper limit minus lower limit. So the upper limit is 1.6 minus 1.2 is the lower limit. Upper limit is 1.6, lower limit is 1.2, and f of x naught is equal to 61 by 30 plus 4 into f of x1 is 74 by 35 and plus f of x2 is 89 divided by 40 by 6. So if we calculate this, we get 0.847698. Now, why do we do Simpsons 1/3 rule? We do Simpsons 1/3 rule because if we don't know how, if we can't solve it, or if we don't know how to do integration, then we can use this method. That way it will give a close result. If we solve it using the our calculator, alpha x plus 1 by x, and we put the lower limit 1.2 and the upper limit 1.6, then we get integration 1.6 by 1.2 x plus 1 by x dx. We get 0.847682. You see, these two values are very near, so our solving this is accurate. And I have elaborated this formula here. If you want to see the short version of it, then here it is. We did the same thing here. So I hope you have understand this method. This is a very easy method. This is the rule for Simpsons, solving Simpsons 1/3 rule, and this is the rule for solving the 8. You see, so this thing has two steps. One is calculating the h, and the second is calculating the 1/3 rule. So I hope if you understand a little bit from this method, please subscribe to my channel to support me. That will be a lot. Thank you very much.